Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small from Building a Law Firm. Back again to talk to you some law firm marketing, sales, all kinds of other fun stuff, strategies. And I wanted to talk about SEO being dead today. And by the way, if you want to learn how to do some stuff that's going to actually help you with SEO, but in a weird way, a way that you probably haven't ever thought of, then you're going to want to go to q2workshop.com. I'm hosting an event next Friday, April 5th in Kansas City, and you're invited, okay? Spots are still available. q2workshop.com, come and see me. But let's talk about SEO and why it's dead. And what I'm really talking about is your traditional SEO. I was doing the weekly training for the BACKROOM, my BACKROOM members this afternoon, and somebody asked about SEO. And I said it's dead. And I said anybody that's trying to sell you SEO services is cheating you and lying to you and taking your money. And you could take that $1,500 a month you're spending, or that $2,000 a month you're spending, or whatever you're spending, and you could deploy it in other ways, and you could have a significantly more return on that investment. Here's why. If you look at traditional SEO, they're trying to get you ranked for keywords that get a high search volume. You're talking about Seattle DUI attorney, Seattle estate planning attorney, Memphis bankruptcy attorney, Dallas family law attorney, Las Vegas divorce attorney, right? These type of words. And the problem is, there's many printing problems. I'm just gonna run down them all because I don't even know how many there are, so we'll just see where we're at when we end. Problem number one is the organic search space for those types of terms is gone, okay? The first term for that organic spot is now where like the 8th term used to be. Because when you search that, and just do this, pull your computer up and search something like Seattle DUI attorney and take a look, okay? What you're gonna find is the first 3 or 4 spots are going to be paid spots. So you have to pay to play. You have to pay to get into those spots. The next 3 or 4 spots after that is going to be the Google Maps results, which again, you can get in organically. You can also pay to get in, but either way, it's not organic SEO. It's not until after that that you get down to that organic SEO result, that first result. So the space is changed the way that from what it used to be. And I know, because back in the day, I used to be this SEO guru. I was killing it. Like in 2010, 2011, I was crushing SEO. And then everything changed, and it's been changed forever since then. It doesn't work anymore. But it's a sexy term, and it's something that people can sell. And so they try to get you to buy it. They know you're desperate. They know that you're not on here listening to me. And so they sell it to you, okay? So that's number one. Number two, the second problem is, if you are just starting your SEO efforts right now, then you are years behind what many other companies have been putting into their SEO efforts, which means it's gonna take you a tremendous amount of time, a tremendous amount of expense, and a tremendous amount of actual effort to rank for those keyword spots. And I'm not even talking about other law firms, which some have been doing it forever. Some have just been lucky and just been creating content forever. But I'm talking about spots like Avo, Yelp, FindLaw, right? Justia. These places that are creating hundreds of links every day, that are creating many, many articles every day, that have forums that are creating new content every day. These sites are gonna outrank you 100 times out of 100 for your organic search results, for the terms that we're talking about, for the terms that everybody's trying to sell you, okay? The reason that they're trying to sell you those terms is because, like I said, they know that you don't know. Or, by the way, this is just a little sneaky little tip when you're talking to your SEO person next. If they try to tell you that they're gonna rank you for something like best Seattle DUI attorney in the land, something like that, tell them that's great and go Google it, okay? If there are no AdWords on there, there are no paid ads on the SEO they're trying to rank you for, then you could do that on your own, okay? I could show you how to do that in 10 minutes. So you shouldn't be paying for that. And chances are, if it's not backed by AdWords, it's not getting enough search results for anyone else to care about it, which means it's a useless term, okay? Believe it or not, high competition for a keyword is a good sign. that means that people are going there and people are hiring attorneys from that keyword. Seattle DUI attorney, for example, costs like a cajillion dollars, okay? It costs like literally, when I was doing DUIs back in the day, I was paying like $75 a click for Seattle DUI attorney. But there's a reason for that. The reason is, you know, you sign up one DUI for like $4,500 and you're still making money, right? So you could afford to pay to get 10 clicks to get one client. $750 to make $4,500, that works for me all day. But the SEO doesn't work because we're all up in front of you, okay? So that reason number 2, right, is that. Reason number 3 is that the SEO game is it's just too difficult now, right? The algorithms have been refined and updated, and they actually are good. So you can't keyword stuff anymore. You can't do blog farms anymore. You can't do blog pyramids anymore. You can't buy links anymore. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, that's okay, because it doesn't work anymore. So don't even worry about it. Just know that it's broke. So if you're doing SEO, you're fighting a losing battle the traditional way. Now, let me tell you about the new way that you can do SEO that actually works. Are you ready for that? Somebody's watching, by the way. If you're ready, please say yes in the comments. Hit the like button, do something, whoever's watching. The way that you do that, the way that you do new SEO is what I call long tail SEO. And it's part of this content generation strategy that I have. It's the reason why I'm making this video right now, because you want to sort of pull out those random questions that are being asked frequently, but not frequently enough to get a lot of search traffic, so that when people do search those terms, you pop up. And the key then is to create a lot of content around a bunch of different little micro searches so that you start popping up everywhere when people start looking for the things that they are looking for. The reason that you know that they are looking for them is because you are having conversations with potential clients all the time. You are having conversations with clients all the time. So you know those one-off questions that everyone's asking. And if one person is asking them, then they are all probably asking them, okay? Let me give you a perfect example. I just did a video for my estate planning law firm about asset protection, and I called it the true cost of asset protection. That is going to rank as soon as it goes up on YouTube and on my website and everywhere else I'm going to put it. It's going to start ranking in the search engines. So if people are searching for asset protection questions, my stuff is going to start popping up, okay? And no, it's not a specific estate planning attorney keyword, but anybody that's looking for asset protection is looking for an estate planning attorney. So I'm trying to get in there where I can, establish expertise, establish value, establish goodwill, and establish a new client relationship. Now, the way that you do that is with doing this thing I call intent-based branding. You're learning about it right now. I've been making a bunch of videos on it, and it's also the subject of my workshop in Kansas City, April 5th, right, next Friday. So if you're interested, go to q2workshop.com and check it out. Click the link that's up here or down wherever it's at. Click that link and come and hang out with me. I'm going to show you how I do this from start to finish in a way that actually gets you a lot of clients. So do that. But in any event, whatever you do, by the way, the cost to come to this workshop is going to be less than the cost of 1 month with your SEO firm. So dump that SEO firm, come and hang out with me, learn a strategy that's going to actually get you clients, and then you just thank me later, right, on your way to the bank. But with that being said, SEO is D-E-A-D, dead, okay? At least in the traditional term. So don't waste your time on SEO. Don't waste your efforts on SEO. Think about the modern way that people are getting in front of clients. They're doing things like this, live videos, to YouTube, to podcast, to blog, to Instagram. You can do it too. You just have to know how, all right? So that's it. Thanks for listening. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you know somebody that needs to or to watch it, hit the share button. If you have a comment or a question, leave it. And come to Kansas City and see me on April 5th, q2workshop.com. All right, that's it. Talk to you again tomorrow. See ya.